Hi everyone, it's Tayyip Shah. The purpose of this video is basically to share and demonstrate how the census geography in Pakistan is when we talking about the population data and about geographic level data is available. So census is being conducted at the national level and the data is usually available at the provincial levels, and then within the province we have divisions. So we have, let's suppose we have here the divisions, and then we want to see the within the divisions we have a certain districts, and then within the districts we have a further classification within the tehsil levels. So these are the first four tiers, which usually most of the people very much familiar. But now the next thing is the last three ones, which is QH, PC, and the village. So because I've selected it as seal, so I have options in the QH, either it's a Kanun Go Halka or MC is the municipal corporation. You see there are few municipal corporations there. One is Jodhamwala and then Kurianwala. Kurianwala, these are the two municipalities which is there. So we will see the difference between them. So if we go to the Kanungo, so under the Canon Go, we will have a number of Patwar circles. So those are the revenue system, and here we enter into, and then if we select a Patwar circle, then we will have a number of mauzas or villages within that, and that means we have a number of so this information, total number of households 684 in this village, and total male and female male population, female population, and then the total population is there. You can see the some infographic is very nice. It's good. It looks very good way to disseminate the information, and then you have some key statistics on the side. You have employment status and ethnicity, those, and the marital status as well. And then you have some other display, particularly the population pyramid is interesting to see. Our young population is very high proportion as compared to the older population, which is 65 and above. So that's another way. And then educational levels, you can see the what is educational levels are here. I think will be population at center age group. And the good thing is you can export this table, which like feel like they have a export is there. So beside these cards or what is called the elements on the dashboard, you can export those kind of things. So it's very nice to see this information. So the purpose is basically to give you the idea how the census geography works, and how these kind of things you can use in your research if you want to use it. So the second thing is here I want to add under the check. Usually under the MAUSA, so usually the at the time of planning, you have further divided that MAUSA based on the population size into what is they called is enumeration areas or census blocks, and they have different names in different countries and different areas. So usually they call census blocks. So it means they have information can be further subdivided into number of blocks based on the planning they have done. So if we move from Tehsil instead of the Kanungo, if we check the MC, which is a municipality, so which is urban area purely. If you see in the statistics, 100% urban, and that's a rural is a 0%. So it means this municipality will have some charge numbers. So instead of the Patwar circle, so here you will see the wording is changed, because in urban or rural area, they use two different types of geography to differentiate when they want to run the census. So in urban area, they use the charge. So let's go to the charge number 14. And then if we see the charge 14, it will be including some circles. So now you can see the few circles. So this is a circle which is equivalent to the village or Mosa level in that case. So you can see about 2,500, over 2,500 households are divided by male and female population. 1,600 is the total population in this circle. So first circle can be further divided into census blocks as well. So it means they have more in this 16,000 population can be divided into two, three, or four groups depending on the number of circles, number of census blocks they have in one circle. So the main purpose of this demonstration is like because I just finding trying to look some tools to explain the census geography and census different geographic level units they're using it and to differentiate between the urban and rural. So I thought it's a good way to use this website, which is a newly developed digital census of Pakistan, and use this one to explain the difference between them to further discuss the how we can use this census geography in our research.